Ready for another day. Good morning. We're off to Cottesloe Beach again today. We really enjoyed it the other day and have decided to go back and try the snorkeling this time. It's quite warm today. I think it's going to be mid-30s. Elizabeth Quay Station is becoming quite familiar. I have never bothered to look at a train station ceiling before, have you? We take this train to Perth Central and then out to Cottesloe.
Passengers travelling towards Township, your next service from platform 1 departs in 2 minutes.
There is quite a bit of space in this underground connection. Are there any plans to put shops or supermarkets in here in the future?
Your next service leaves from platform 4. The train stops all stations, including Perth Stadium.
Perth Central Station has 7 platforms in total. Platform 1 and 2 are the busiest. These platforms on this side are a bit quieter. We seem to be waiting around for this one. She's a nice friendly officer. This is quite a good shot of Perth Central Station from the inside. Standing room only. Here we are at Cottesloe Station and we have just over a kilometre to walk.
Sunday as well.
Oh yeah, true. We never thought we'd be back at Cottesloe, and here we are. This time we found a beach farley shade for ourselves. Quite handy since our cabana is at home in Queensland. Nothing like a flat white to set you up for the day. The airspace seems quite busy today. peaceful here, eh? Nice and quiet. Okay, I'm thinking about getting in and checking out the snorkeling here. My turn next. I'll keep an eye on the bags in the meantime. The beach has been one of the most popular beaches in WA since the 1880s. A jetty was constructed but destroyed the same year. A more steady construction of 100 metres, which must be that, was constructed 4 years later, known as the Cottesloe Pier. It's my turn now for a snorkel. There is a little bit out there to see, although I have been to other places where there's a lot more. This is a quiet beach though to start, or great for families. That's the third one. Oh, that's a rescue one, look. Air traffic's busy today. The paddleboard is back again. Another helicopter. He's doing a circle. That's the surf rescue one going back, maybe? Gelato time. Lemon raisin and pistachio, the other one, please. Thank you. A lingering last look at Cottesloe. We'll head back to the train station and have a look around the township.
Which direction, straight on?
Well, that's a different looking statue. What's that old building over there? BWS store, so Woolworths can't be far away. Must be a Woolworths close by. Ah, there it is. We need to make a quick stop for water and bread. Good view from that building. The Albion Hotel, a popular restaurant and bar. There's a game of chess square. We need to walk over this footbridge for the train back to Perth. Standing room only again. It's such a cool building, I like that. This H&M building was originally the post office building, built in 1923. I like the architecture. Okay, I'm going to stay here a bit now to watch and film this. I really enjoy watching people dance, admiring how they can move their bodies. Back in the day, I used to do something similar.
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
We pass in 5 minutes. This service stops all stations to Township.
We're going to take the train from here. We cannot be bothered walking. That was an enjoyable day. It was good to get my snorkel and fins out again. It's been a while since they've been used. I'm enjoying this low carb cider, quite refreshing at the end of a day. Thank you for joining me today. Watch the next video to see what's in store tomorrow. Cheers.